Hello, I'm Miss Athifah and it's Bishera Jatriona here. So in this video, I will reflect on what I have learned from my group assignment and the overall subject of gender, ethnicity, and class. So how this task helped me to apply sociological concept in real life and how my understanding of this subject has evolved throughout this course. So the group video and poster assignment we are doing a topic about intersectional inequalities, which is I gain a deeper understanding on how social categories such as gender, ethnicity, and class do not exist separately but instead overlap and shape people's lived experience. So, working on this assignment require my group and I to apply theories discussed in lectures such as intersectionality to real world situation. The group assignment also make it further strengthen this understanding as we use real life example and case study to show how structural inequalities operate in economic and daily social interactions. So, this activity has helped me to connect abstract sociological theories to real situation, and it has making the concept more meaningful and easier to understand. Instead of memorizing definition, I learned how these ideas function in real life society. So the assignment and lecture have significantly influenced how I apply sociological concept in my everyday life. So before taking this course, I often view issues of gender or ethnicity as a separate social problems. However, after engaging with the concept of the intersectionality and others theories in those subject, I understand that social inequality is complex and interconnected to each other. For instance, I have become more aware of how people from lower social economic background may face limited opportunities, especially when combined with gender or ethnic discrimination in daily life. So this has changed how I interpret news, social media, and media discussion, and even conversation among peers. So I now question stereotypes more critically and recognize how assumptions about gender roles or ethnic identities can reinforce the inequality. So the lectures also help me to see how institutions such as education system and workplaces can unintentionally maintain these inequalities. So this awareness has encouraged me to be more empathetic and socially conscious in my interactions with others. So in terms of personal growth, my understanding of social relation and structures has evolved greatly. So before starting this course, I tend to view any social issues as an individual level. But however, after completing this assignment and attending full lectures of this subject, I understand the powerful role of social structures in shaping people's life chances. So I now view gender, ethnicity, and class as important factors that influence how people experience society on a daily basis. So, in my own interactions, I am more mindful of my privilege and more respectful of different perspectives. And I also feel more confident to discuss social issues using sociological concept rather than relying on personal opinion alone. Like Miss Athifah always tell us, view any issues in a wide lens. So overall, this course has helped me to grow academically and personally. Okay, so it has challenged my previous assumptions and encouraged me to see society through more critical and wide and also inclusive lens. So the video assignment combined with lecture have played an important role in shaping my understanding of the intersectional inequalities and their impact on real life. So I think that's all from my sharings. Thank you for spending your time on this video. Thank you for listening and goodbye.